Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy altcoins in Canada. So in order to do this, I'm going to use this exchange that is called Bitunix.com. So if you want to create your account on it in order to save 25% on the trading fees, I will put my link down in the description so you can use that link. So once you are on Bitunix.com, you just have to create your account on it. But before that, you need to make sure that the coin that you want to purchase from here is available. So in order to check the availability, you need to hover over to the top and click on markets. By default, you will be in the futures tab, but you need to tap on spot. Here you will be able to see the list of all of the coins that you can purchase on Bitunix. It includes all of the Solana based meme coins as well. So in order to check the coin that you want to purchase from here, you just have to simply hover over to the top and click on this magnifying glass. Over here you just have to type the abbreviation of the coin that you want. For example, for Bitcoin we use BTC, for Ethereum we use ETH, for TRX or Tron we use TRX. Similarly, you just have to type the abbreviation of the coin or the meme coin or the altcoin that you want to purchase from here. Let's say I want to purchase the engine coin, so I'm going to type INJ in this section, and once you are able to see this type of coin in front of you, it simply means that you can trade it over here or buy it over here. So in order to purchase it, you just have to simply click on it and then it will redirect you on this spot page. Over here you just have to scroll down and then you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to spend in order to purchase this coin. After that, you need to simply click on the buy button and you will be able to get it. Now if you don't know how to deposit money into Bitunix, then what you can do is you can simply hover over and click on assets, and here you need to click on deposit. After that, you just have to simply deposit whichever crypto you want to deposit into Bitunix. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.